Hello everybody, welcome to another class. Let me just check the sound. Give me a second. Hello, testing. Hello everybody, welcome. Okay, so the sound is good. And in today's class, I was using a little bit of Copilot to asking, how can I set up some instruction so you can always follow it? And then I was told that we can create this .cursor rules, or this name here, I guess, can be any name, guideline, coding guidelines MD. And he offered to create that for me and create it. So this is the file that was created. And let me just fix this a little bit. And I hope that from now on, I can reference this file or it will automatically get from it. I think every AI agent, there is a way that you can tell it. So the thing that I usually do is we can right click here, copy the folder for the file, and then you can tell, please remember to follow those guidelines. And another thing that happened is the content was there today. I have a little conversation to add more stuff, but then I saw this message. So I'm in the signature the subscription that I pay $10 per month. And then I got this. We have automatic switch you to GPT 4.1. I'm not sure how the quality changed. I have some friends that are using the Cursor and the Cloud Code. I used them before, and I like all pretty much the same, so I don't know the little different. I will continue to use this one. If you get too bad, maybe I can change to something else. But let's see how it goes, because Cursor, Copilot is the same one I work in my job, and there is a full subscription that I don't think this quotas apply. So let's see how it goes. The last class I got a little bit impatient. I was not in a good mood as well, but with the result. But that is expected. That is even good, because then show you the reality about the vibe in coding today. There is no magic, no perfection, not like perfect code coming up. It's up to us to learn how to use this new tool for our application. So let's see where we were and where we stopped. So let me start my application. I do have the comments already here. Let me go there, this, and then, I cd front end, back end first. And then let's do, actually first, let's start the database, remember? We can go here, and then there is that Docker, where is it? The Docker Compose, DB app. So DB is app. Now we can go here and .NET. Another thing that I found in API documentation is there is a way that we can do .NET watch and run. Instead of .NET run, we can put watch. So it will be similar to the front end, where if there are any change in the files, the solution will be rebuilt and be available right away. So far it's working fine. And as we are using AI to be changing the code on the fly, is a good thing to do. So the backend should be up now. I open a new tab and I go up and then to the code. Dash front end, and I will run npm run dev. Oops, sorry, npm. What is, remember, has to be sudo. And now I have to put my password here. I move here just to say it's backend, front end, backend, and this database. So now we can visit our application just to see how the application looks like. And go to the login. I wish we could remove this. I don't remember the last user I used, so I have to go here, connect to the database, and select start from users. Let me run this query, and then test email.com. So Let's go back here. I put that email, and then the password, I guess, was 126. So this is where I need to remove this. So where we were before, let me put dark mode, I think is better. We were in product. And then realize that in product, when you are adding a new product or even edit a new product, this was not working nice. And this same thing for the categories. Look how bad it is. So let's see how we can fix this just by ask, or I could go to the code and change myself, but let's try to leverage AI as much as possible. So let's start by category. What you do is like this. Let me just look to the UI. What I need to do is I will create a new, this is a drop-down menu where under products, we will have categories. So we can create and add or remove new categories. And then product, so we can edit products. Let's see how this works. I need you to change the product menu to be a drop down with the options category, and product. Create a new component to allow CRUD on categories. And let's see how it goes from here. We can go here. They only changed that new file that was created, so everything else you should see popping up there. Hey, hello, I see there are 2 online viewers, so welcome. And if you don't mind, please let me know if the image, the sound, is everything working fine. Oh, and another thing that I checked is that all the UI is being built using those MUI components. So that is a good thing. For a moment, I thought I forgot to check it, but now looks good. Just to take a look how they looks like. It's a nice way to learn. Let's see if you can deal with the category first, and later on we can deal with the URLs. That I have an idea to change it a little bit. So let's see. Copilot will work. Yes, I want that. Maybe there is a configuration can change that. Let's see. I improve this to 50. Okay. Let's see if it's changed right away. Uh-oh, there is a bug. Let's wait it finished. Maybe it will be fixed later on. I don't think it says done, but let's see. I say there is a bug. And then remember, every time this thing happens, we are paying for that communication, for those tokens. So it's something that bothers me a little bit is we should have a discount for something that came that was not correct, because they're going to say, oh, the file got corrupted. Oh, I have to change it. There is a error syntax. So maybe what is still going on, I don't know. The navigation, would you like any UI just no feature? Okay. So he was saying that was done already. He was even asking me what I like. So let's see how it goes. Let me close those guys so I'm not bothering today. Oh. Okay, let's check. I see nothing here. Just for the sake, let's close this guy. Maybe there is something that was changed in the application that are not supported just work, and let's see how it goes. Oops. Let's open F12, then you can see, oh, something is missing here. So menu is missing. So let me copy the entire thing. Let me put this right here. Because like all those requests, there is a price for it. So what should we do with those requests that come with a bug? Where pay for something that is not working flawless. So it's a discussion for another time. Please rerun your app. Let's see if just this should work. Okay, now looks like it's correct. Let's go product and then categories. Let's add a new category. I will call category A. Description is not required. So I see it. Let's add another one. Category B. I put a description. This one just to test if it's saving. Category B. I went another one just to test the deletion. Trash category. And then that one I delete it. Oh, look, this is so bad. You are using the browser dialog, so this is crap. Good that I test, and I say this, the delete warning is a JavaScript dialog. Please use from components more appropriate and update the copy path to add this instruction. What I'm doing is every time I find something like this, I like to add it to this. I'm adding to this coding guideline. So I hope the next time it will not do the same mistake. So let's see how it goes. And did you see how nice it is to have those watch modes so you can do the change and see right away? And we keep an eye here in the back in the console just to see what is going on. Okay, let's go back there. So it's nice to go there and see which change was made, but this file is entirely new. So dialogues, okay, there is this. Front-end developer rules, so looks good. And now let's keep it. And let's go back and test it. So those are kind of the thing that usually in a big team, in a real team, there is a QA team checking it. And even when you do a code review, more experienced engineers say, oh, please don't use this. Like we already have components. Like if you're a company, the onboarding process will tell you which component are used or how to find it. So let's test it now. Let's say trash category, save it, and then let's delete. Much better now. This is more professional. So then let's cancel, the cancel work, and then the deletion work as well. We don't know still how is the back-end implementation for this, but we know thing was created there because we need full saves for category in the back-end. And fun thing is, I don't see them here. Maybe because the backend was already created before. We didn't check it, but let's go to the backend. As we created saves before the controllers, there is this product categories controller. So those operations are being reused. So now that we test this, let's go to product, our products, and let's try to edit a product. And now we should be able to select a category from here. Good. Let's update. And the fun thing is that UI is kind of dynamic. Do you see that this was adjusted? So I asked them to change that. Like I will do something like put like 2 columns, because if we do something like this, I don't want the AI to be like just, I guess the layout we use here is kind of a flow. Wherever field in that screen is going to be like added to the end. So I don't think it's good. So let's update this product. Let's see if that worked. Like if we category is showing here red. So let's change it to category A. Update product is there red. So the next thing I will ask is please improve the product layout, UI layout, because they are like stacking all components in a flow. Make something like with 2 columns. Let's see how it goes. I agree that this was not very clear. Sometimes have to learn how to be clear. It's what they call now prompt engineer. It's how we talk with the AI. So there is even people claim in LinkedIn that they are at that position. And a group of people says that move on, every software engineer will be basically a prompt engineer, because our work will be just talk with the AI. Let's see how the market will change in the short term. Let's see how it goes. Thinking. I heard people say that, I make my prompt, I ask, I go have a shower, I come back and everything is done. I never had that experience where I can just go for half hour doing work. Usually it's like maximum 3-5 minutes, and then I get the output. Maybe they ask for the entire thing. I don't trust yet to ask for a big thing or make application with product, client, login, and all that. I'm afraid what we're gonna get from there. Every time I try something that was too broad, was a nightmare to make it like correct. So click edit product. Okay, let's go here. Let's see if I edit. Is already showing it. I don't think that was reflected yet. Let's try something here. If I move, this is what I was talking. This is cool because the UI will fix whatever fields you have there. We may keep this for now, but I don't like it. I like when the position is kind of fixed. Here's like a flow. It's good because if you are in a mobile and your mobile is just this, you can go to all fields in a sequence. And let's keep it this way. Let's see what he said. I don't think that was taken into consideration. Let's go here, see if there is any error. That is very UX, UI experience. It's not that bad, but like, I asked for 2 columns. There is more than 2 columns here already. Maybe 3 columns will be better, but let's see. Just in case, let's see if that was the, I will stop the front end. I run again to check if there is any impact there. Let's go here, products, and then let's edit a product. No, nothing changed there. So let's do the, I steal the components stack and not into column. Oh, I guess he got confused. He was talking about this thing here, products. When do we see the list of products? Let's change here, products. I guess was here, not when you are editing the product. Let me tell him this. Let me stop. So I meant the form to edit a product, not the one with the product table. Please revert the change on the product table and apply the change to the form editing product. Let's see how it goes. In this case, like was my bad because I just mentioned product, improve the product UI, and I didn't mention because now we have two. This is product and this is one product. Let's see what is going. Let me cancel this. Let's go back to products. It's like that. You see that the spacing was not good, and now let's go here. There are 3 columns, is that? Yeah, still this happened, but look, we have this. The top is not showing okay. And let's see if I move this guy. Yeah, it's still like that. So let's see what. I will try this once. If it doesn't work, I'll keep that and then we're gonna move on. Later on, we can try to, even when we are more sure how we want to see it. Because right now, it's not bad. So wherever the browser size the guy has, the field will be accommodated. I guess like the top of those fields is being covered, so I will ask about that, and let's see. Ta-da-da. So see, still there is no two columns here. And I will get those and I will tell him about those things. I see. Those are very simple to fix. It's just say, oh, you can remove this item. This has been removed, and then there is some. Maybe he is using an old documentation to use the grid. So let's see what is there. Please follow the latest implementation of new components and add this to the let's go here, copy path to the instructions here. Okay, so probably was using an older grid and now is using version 2. Let's just check it. Well, those are gone. We still don't see that improvement we ask. So that is the kind of thing, if you don't know how to do, you are locked with the product. I see a lot of people say that. For us, what you say, oh, let me check this API, how to use, and then we can do ourselves. So remember I said there is always a trade-off. Oops, sorry, this looks good. So now I will check something else first. Well, I'll check this later on, but first let's see this. I say this. The first row of fields are being, the descriptions are being covered. So let's see. There is the first row of components in, add the first row of components. The label are not fully visible. The top part is covered. So right now what happened? I am, instead of being a software engineer, building stuff, I am micromanage AI and doing QA. This is exactly what is going on. Let's see how it goes. We don't know yet how the filter will be in our market, like how everyone expects to do the work. But my goal here is to really, let's see what AI can do for us. And let's see how it goes. The first row. Oh, okay, let's see. It was there. Let me reload. Go here. Product, and then edit product. Now it's kind of there, but look. Looks like there are two columns, but this guy is messed. So the product form UI is messy, and there are three columns. Oh, three, not three. 3 columns instead of 2, and the category and the category field is higher than the first two. I could be more specific, but let's see if this will be good enough. And I can tell you this, someone that is a front-end specialized work with those tools will already be completed this. This is where in some sort AI will speed up us a lot, but in other hand, we're gonna be delayed for that, like 80% to be very fast, 20% to be very slow and difficult to accomplish. So let's see what goes now. Kind of better now. I like what I see here. I was expecting something like this. Yeah, so the screen has to be at least this size. Or what I can do is to make just one column. Let's see how it goes. I already saw some applications. Just to simplify. Much better now. But I think just one column will be better. And add the label to the left of the field. Let's see. So instead of the label a little bit here, maybe not. Maybe it's not good, but let's see. That is good. We can try, ask, and see the result way faster than maybe doing the chain and check it. So it's good for tries, definitely. Oh, I have to finish this lesson. There is a party from my church. I'm curious to see something. How, if we go to products, oh, is it still, I guess, change file, so. Let's keep it and see how it goes. I was trying to see if we can load products already. Yes, and if you go to a product and then we change, let's change the theme. Okay, this is kind of okay, but I think this is spend too much real estate. Oh, real estate. Let me do this. Good, I like it. Oh, no, I think the label would be there as part of the box, like it was before. For now, let's keep this way because we can spend hours, day, weeks just play with that. Very professional guys in UX that has science behind it. For now, let's go simple and later we can review. Let's see if now is going to be better. There is something missing here. For sure, I imported miss it. So, oops. So, maybe there's still change going on. No, supposed to be red. Let's see, there is a syntax error. Let's go to product and then products. And SKU now looks good. Let's do this. The question is, if you are use a full screen, we are waste a lot of real estate, but for now it's okay, because now we can see all the fields, or we can. Now there is one thing here, we cannot unselect a category. Maybe is a good thing because we can make it like required. We can play with this later on. And the next class will improve this, because as we remember, let's see if we can find some image here. Oh, we can get image from our code.live. I'm pretty sure in our repository we do have some images. SQL image, and let's get this guy here, for example. Oh, if I put an image here and we add image, let's put the same image over again and update product. When you open it, nothing is stored. So this I will change a little bit. Instead of just a URL, image URL, I will call URL, and then I have some types: image, document, or videos. So we're gonna do this in the next class. And of course, we can always plan and change the UI. For now, I keep like this. I think is okay. And by the way, the image is not work yet, so that will be covered in the next class. So, oh wait, let's try to at least fix those things here. Let me clean this and see if there is still happening. I reload. Let's go here. Products, everything is fine. When I edit, and let's cancel it, we see this. Copy console. Let's see if this is bringing the entire thing. Yes. Yeah, this is just some font that should not be changed at the moment. Let's see if we can get it. It's just to show you that it's very important to be watching the console because there is a lot of warnings and things that can be. So this is more like, I guess, part of this multi-icon button that is changed to something that was blocked. So, oops. I hope my internet is not doing okay. Okay, say that maybe it's not us, it's a bug from the component. It's a warning for the component itself, so let's keep it this way. Let's trust what you are told to. This is still there, but let's add a new product. It'll be SKU002 product 2 category B, and then brand B, short description, product B. This is more like when we're gonna build our web site to sell those products. The short and the full description. This is a full description. The price should be 20. This is bad. The way that is here. Cost price was 10. How many I have in stock? Like 5. And this will be like low stock and manufacturer. I save it as act and let's save it. Okay, this grid is not perfect yet because we should do like a search so we can find the products, and we don't know what happened when you add multiple products. What we could do is like this. Let's see. Please provide a SQL script to add, let's say around to add 50 products. You can set random content. I just need to test the grid. Those are the kind of thing that I really love in AI. Instead of I have to go there and like copy and paste and prepare the comments, ideally it will generate for me and I can just run the script like this one. Oh, look, he's trying to be lazy. Oh, insert and then put all this and say, oh, you can repeat this. Could be true, but I want different, like, I want the 50 lines. So please provide the 50 insert for me. Maybe he's trying to save tokens or thing like that. So I said, no, give me the all 50. Okay, let's see what is being passed as category. Which field is this one? I don't know. I'm not sure if this script is correct, but let's see. I will copy it. Did I copy it? I will copy it. I will go here. And let's run. Okay, looks like it worked. Now let's go back to application and reload it. And if you go to products, we'll see all that. So I need you. It worked, and I need the product grid to have paging and filter. Paging, sorting, and filter. Okay, request fail. Okay, I will add pagination control and logic per page, enable sort by click. Filter. Okay, it's being smart. Let me do something first, and then when it's work, let's do the other one. And let's see how the pagination was implemented. So, okay, there is something missing. Copy and paste. Okay, let's go. There is still error. And we can see here some example that AI definitely is amazing. Like we can, let me change it. I can save this to run again if we delete, let's see where I can put this. So add a new file. Close this, and now let's do a select star from products. It's funny because dimension is being stored like this: width, height, and length. It's like a JSON. So this field is being used as a JSON, and then everything is act, and then those are the data that is being created. It's just like test. It's good to have because if we delete our database, it's nice to be able to recreate some data so we can test. So is it still thinking here? Let's see how it goes. So yeah, there is something wrong with the file. Let's see, thinking. This thing here is what is making me, I think what I do is, I not be recording like every day like before. I keep moving with the application, and eventually I will have some class to explain, because now I guess I gave a good idea already for the basic and how we can add a product. And I don't think it's a good experience to be like waiting for the AI to do all this. And as we can see now, we have to spend time to review it. So I guess it will be better to do this way. Let's just finish the class today, and I'll give some update about the next steps. Because I really want to move with this project, but I think to be like wasting all this time of you all is not something good. Okay, something went wrong. Let's try again. Let me see if my internet connections. This bad review. No, the network. They upload this app because this is streaming. I'm streaming, so it's consumed some. Dear fix. Yes, of course. You know, you did. I guess it got lost. It's trying to blame me, but you are the coder now. So be honest. I think if every software engineer is just doing this and not focus on foundation as well, we will create a generation of engineers that they don't know engineer. They just know how to talk with AI. And if we not spend the time to understand how the code has been generated, we may have a product that is closer to what you want, but maybe you'll be very okay, let's try again. Not fix it. Let's have some fun here. Let's put some pressure on the AI. Let me check the backend. Nothing was changed. This is just a console. What is going on? And then here, the error that we see. Okay, there is pagination, is there. We have how many per page? Should be 20. We have 50 products now, so it's 20. So we should be able to see. Oh, this is strange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's 10 per page. We have 50 products. How come we only have 2 pages? This is the first page. This is the second. Something is odd. I only see 2 pages. Am I going crazy or it's showing 20 items? But I only see 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got the page as well. Yeah, I have just gonna fix it and finish the class for today. The database has based on select count products. This should be show 52, 50, yeah. What the heck? Oh. Yeah, change the API to not to limit only if more and to limit change API to only more than 1,000 products. Yeah, so looks like there is, do you see there is a call? So this API product is only bringing the first 10. And we're gonna do some work on that later on, but I will say only if it's more than 1,000, because more than 1,000, we're gonna add some filter. And if the filter get more than 1,000 product, it's very rare. A company is small, a small company has more than 1,000 product. If that is the case, you're gonna filter and then let the user know, oh, there is more data that is not here, so please improve your filter. But this, we're gonna add this later on. Okay, let's see. We have some change at front end. And we're gonna talk about this later on. It's a nice discussion. Yeah, now we can see all pages. And let's just, we can check this. Like what we can do is let's open the network. Okay, I clean this up. Let's go to products. Okay, let's reload the page. I clean this. Let's go to products. So it should see one call that will get all the products. And in theory, when we move to other page, we already got those 50 products, so you don't need to be calling again. It's everything in the browser, and this should make it very fast. So I have to finish the class now, but later on, we're gonna add filtering, and we have a discussion about this page thing, because there is a very nice technical discussion trade-offs that we must do. And I see a lot of people get this wrong, and it's important for us to tackle it. So thank you for joining the class. So right now we have our product and categories working fine. We have a grid. We still need to add filtering. And this is kind of, not sure what, this is the total of product, 52. Cool, so see you next time. And God bless you, bye. And God